A show like this is critical to the data center industry. It's one of those few events where the entire industry gets to come out in a collective way. It builds the ecosystem that's needed to drive customer success. Anybody coming to Data Center World for the first time is going to meet the top industry experts in a multitude of fields, whether it's IT, electrical, cooling, mechanical, design. The entire ecosystem required to build the data center industry is all at Data Center World.
If you're not at one of these exhibitions, then I think it says a lot more than if you are here. So I think it's all about brand visibility. If we're here, we're seen and we can have those important conversations.
Well, from my perspective, one of the highlights for the show has been primarily getting together with a lot of our customers that have been able to come out and visit us. So for us, that's one of the key reasons why we wanted to come to Data Center World. Face-to-face meetings with our customers, absolutely key in this day and age. Getting those features and benefits out in front of the customers and showing the difference between us and some of the other competitors so that we can set ourselves apart. We've had a good day yesterday. We've had a number of customers come onto the stand. I would say very well organized. So we're very, very happy with what we've done here on the show.
It's been nice to talk to all the different suppliers and see how they're dealing with all the sort of future challenges that are coming up. Nice to meet people face to face that I've been talking through via email, via phone call. You know, we're all doing telephone conferences these days.
I find it very surprising each year how it changes. There's new ideas. It's been here for a long time and it looks like it's going to carry on being and growing. And it seems to be attracting more people from around the world.
It's about harnessing information. Like, the more we share information, the more advances that we can make. Our world is engineer to engineer. You know, it's a beautiful thing getting engineers to talk to each other, but we have to start, and they find a level playing field and they can talk about solutions. There's always great leverage, whether it's from the event or afterwards, where we talk about our marketing material. So it's a great opportunity, and a great opportunity to interact with other exhibitors.
These shows are really important because it allows us to actually showcase our products physically. In an increasingly digital world, what we're seeing is people are going online. They get a very, very rare chance to actually touch and feel the actual product and understand how they work. So this is actually a really important show for us. Speaking with installers, to engineers, to designers, to actually kind of the cloud computing companies is actually superb. I think the event's been absolutely brilliant, and I think for us it's been a really positive experience.
I think events like this are very important for the industry. Obviously the data centre industry is very vibrant at the moment. You've got vendors and you've got end users who are in the same room, so you've got a good mix, good show.
Every year there are always new innovations and there are more ways to make the cloud secure and so on. So I've just come to see what's out there really. You know, I always come every year. Every year there are different companies, new startup companies and so on. So just good to see what they've got on offer.
I think the more a show can offer, having several shows under one roof, it just brings more people in, so they actually get to experience not just what they're doing, whether it just be IT infrastructure, they get to see what's happening in the power, the cooling and everything like that. So actually I think the more people of different elements of the data center world coming into the shows like this is really, really good. It's our flagship show we go to every year. It's the one we will not miss, and we've been doing it I think 7 or 8 years now, and we just enjoy it and we come back year after year.